Welcome back, children. This is the second part of the circles. Here we have to discuss about exercise 15.1 and exercise 15.2, whatever the sums are left. So you have to watch this video till end. Starting from exercise 15.1, question number 7a, it is given that in the given figure below O is the center. This is your center. Okay, of the circle AB and CD are two chord. AB and CD are two chord. OM is perpendicular to AB. Okay, and ON is perpendicular to CD. Here AB is given 24 centimeter, OM is given 5 centimeter, and ON is given 12 centimeter. Find the radius. So find the radius of the circle and length of the chord CD. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to do by construction. We can join this part. Now this is one radii, this is one radii. So these are the radii. So write down write down that given, what is given? Given chord AB equal to 24 centimeter, OM is given 5 centimeter, ON is given 12 centimeter. Okay, and to find, we have to find OA or OC. Okay, from here, if this is perpendicular, and here OM perpendicular to AB. If OM perpendicular to AB, therefore AM equal to what? 12 centimeter. This will be 12 centimeter. Okay, this also 12 centimeter. Now in triangle, now it is right triangle because perpendicular. So in triangle OMA, in right triangle OMA, I can write OA square equal to AM square plus OM square. So OA square equal to AM. Put the value of AM. 12 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Okay, therefore 144 plus 25 equal to OA square. Therefore OA equal to under root 169. Up to here you write. Therefore OA equal to 13 centimeter. OA equal to OC equal to same because radii. Okay, so whatever the value of OA, same value will become CO. Now we have to move for this one. So this value has come 13 centimeter. What we have to find? Now in triangle ONC, in right triangle ONC, in triangle right triangle ONC, CO or OC square equal to ON square plus CN square. Here it will be 13 whole square and ON is 12, means I can write 12 whole square, and CN we have to find out. Therefore CN square I can write 169 minus 144, CN equal to under root 25, that will be 5 centimeter. Now CN is 5. If this is CM means 5, therefore CD equal to what? Because ON perpendicular to CD. Therefore CD equal to twice of CN. Twice of CN means this is second part. This is second part. Okay, twice of CN means 2 into 5. It will be 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. This is your required answer. Write down please. Yes, question number 7b, it is given in the given figure 2, given below CD is the diameter. CD is the diameter which meets chord AB. This is chord AB in E such that AE equal to B. AE equal to B equal to 4 centimeter. If C is 3 centimeter, find the radius of the circle. Here it is given AE is equal to BE equal to 4 centimeter and CE is given 3 centimeter. Okay, we can take, therefore AB equal to what? AB equal to 4 plus 4, it will be 8 centimeter. Okay, 8 centimeter. Okay, let radius OB, let radius OB equal to R. OB equal to R. If this is a radius, therefore this will be also a radius. Therefore OC equal to also R. So I can write now in triangle, therefore this part I have to find OE. So OE equal to what? Because this is 3 centimeter, CE equal to 3 centimeter and OC equal to R. Therefore OE equal to R minus 3 centimeter. R minus 3 centimeter. Up here you write. Now right angle triangle OBE, I can write OB square equal to OE square or BE square plus OE square. Here OB value is not given, so I can write instead of OB, because we have considered OB is R. So R square equal to B. What is the value of B? 4 square, and OE is what? Plus R minus 3 whole square. This part I can write 16. R square equal to 16. This implies that 16 plus A minus B whole square means R square plus 9 minus 2 into 3 into R. It will be 16 plus R square plus 9, 2 3s are 6 R. These are cancel. These are cancel. Therefore 16 plus 9 equal to 25. So I am taking this side. So it will come minus 25 equal to minus 6 R. Minus 6 R. So minus remove. So R equal to 25 by 6 equal to 4 whole 1 by 6 centimeter. This is our radius. Write down the answer please. Yes, now question number 11, it is given that an equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter inscribed means inside the triangle, inscribed in a circle, find the radius of the circle. Means first of all, as we know, in equilateral triangle each sides are equal, whose is already given. So join OB and OC. By construction I can write join OB and OC, and A from A drawn what? Let it be D, drawn perpendicular to BC, which will passes through the center of circle O. So as we know from mensuration, we know that since each side of triangle ABC is given 6 centimeter. Therefore AD equal to what? By mensuration we know root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by 2A here. So AD equal to, I can write root 3 by 2 into 6. This is 3. This will be 3 root 3 centimeter. Now if I got AD equal to 3 root 3 and OD means we can find out what? OD equal to what? OA is your radius. OA is your radius from here to here. This is radius, this is one radius, this is one radius. So OD equal to what? AD minus AO, that is 3 root 3 minus R. Now we are comparing this triangle OBD in right triangle OBD means OB square equal to BD square plus OD square. I can write by Pythagoras theorem. This implies that I can write r square, because OB I have considered means radius be r. So let write down, let OB equal to OA equal to OC equal to r considered. Okay, so r square equal to 3 whole square plus 3 root 3 minus r, instead of OD I can write square. So this will come, this implies that r square equal to 9 plus 9 into 3, because under root 3 whole square minus, plus, because a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab into 2 into root 3 into r, means I can write directly 6 root 3 r. So these are removed. Therefore because as we know D is the midpoint of BC, since D is midpoint of BC. Okay, therefore I can write this imply that take minus 6 under root 3 r this side, so it will be plus only. So 6 root 3 r equal to 9 plus 27, 36. This imply that I can write r equal to 36 by 6 root 3. So it will come 6. So 6 by root 3, I am doing the rationalizing, 6 root 3 by root 3. So it will come what? 2 root 3, because 3 into 3, root 3 into root 3, 3. So 2 root 3, okay, centimeter. This is your required radius. Write down please. Now question number 15, it is given that the line joining the midpoint of a two chords of a circle passes through its center. Prove that the chords are parallel. First of all, you draw the figure. Now I have drawn the figure. AB and CD are two chords. O is the radius. Given two chord, write down, given two chords are AB and CD with center O. Okay, with center O. Now from here we can see that what we have to prove, an ALM passes through. This is passes through what? ALM or ANM. I am taking N, so ANM. So I am taking ALM. ALM passes through what? Passes through O. ALM, write down, ALM passes through O. Now to prove, what we have to prove? To prove AB parallel to CD. Proof. L is the what? L is the midpoint of AB. Because this is perpendicular on AB. Midpoint of AB. Therefore OL perpendicular to what? AB, and therefore OLA, angle OLA will be 90 degree. Let it be equation number 1. Now again see, M is the midpoint. Again M is the midpoint of CD. Therefore OM is perpendicular to CD. Therefore OMC angle. Therefore angle OMC equal to 90 degree. This is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Please write down, okay? Now, from 1 and 2 equation, we find that angle OLA equal to angle OMD. But remember, this is alternate angle. But this is alternate angle because see, it is creating Z na alternate angle. But these are alternate angles. Therefore, AB parallel to CD. Okay, this is what that is I wanted to prove. Write down QET. And whatever given, I have shown. Alternate angle. Therefore, AB parallel to CD. According to question number 19a, it is given that in the given figure 1, it is given L is a line. This is L, line L. L is a line intersect two concentric, means within the same center two circles are there, is known as concentric circles. Okay, at the point A, B, C, D. Okay, prove that. What you have to prove? AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. So first of all, this is your drawn one what? Perpendicular line. Okay, now write down given a line L intersects two concentric circles with center O. To prove, what you have to prove? You have to prove that AB equal to CD. AD equal to CD. Now write down by construction, draw OM. M, this is line L, so you can write here only. This is line L. Okay, this is M. So draw OM perpendicular to BC. Therefore, what? Therefore, BM. This is M. Therefore, BM equal to CM. Let it be equation number 1. Again we can see this OM line, perpendicular line, it is also drawn on what? AD also. Again OM perpendicular to AD. Therefore AB. Therefore AM equal to what? MD. AM equal to MD. Let it be equation number 2. Now substitute 1. No, not substitute. Better you subtract. What you have to subtract? We have to subtract 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. What you our means, that means we can write 1 from 2. So our 2 is what? AM minus BM equal to MD minus CD. Now AM, this is our AM. If you AM minus BM, so what is the remaining part? Only AB. So I can write AB and MD. You subtract CD. M, this is your M. So MD minus CD. What is the remaining part? Our remaining part is what? not CD, it will be MD, na? MD minus CM, because CM it is given. So MD minus CM. MD minus CM means what? CD. This is what? That is I wanted to prove. This is we have to prove now. So therefore, if you are minus AM minus BM and MD minus CM means subtract equation 1 from 2, we will get this one. This is our required thing to prove. So write down QED, whatever given I am proved. Means this is Latin word quod erat demonstratum. Now exercise 15.2, it is given question number 1. If arcs APB and CQD of a circles are congruent, then find the ratio of the arc AB is to CD. So write down solution. Here it is given arc APB, this is the sign of arc, equal to arc CQD. If arc APB equal to CQD, therefore we can write this is given. Okay, this is given means if one arc is there APB, okay, and one arc is suppose CQD. So therefore APB means APB equal to arc CQD. So that time it will be what? AB equal to CD. Why? Because if two arcs are congruent, then their corresponding chords are equal. This will be your chord. Corresponding chords are equal. So this is the rule of circle. So write down up to here. Solution: arc APB equal to CQD. It is given. Therefore I can write AB equal to CD. Now AB equal to CD. If two arcs are congruent, therefore then they are what? Then their corresponding chords are equal. Corresponding chords are equal. This is the important point you have to write. Okay. So therefore I can write what? Now ratio of AB and CD. Ratio of AB and CD. So I can write what? AB by CD. But we have already proved that, means we have already know that AB by CD equal to CD. Instead of you can write AB CD, or instead of CD you can write AB. I am taking AB. So CD, the value of CD is what? AB. So I can write AB. So AB gone. This is 1. So 1 by 1 equal to 1:1. This is our required answer. Write down please. Now question number 3, it is given that prove that the angle subtended at the center of a circle is bisect by the radius passing through the midpoint of the arc. First of all, you have to draw one circle. Now first of all, we have to draw one circle. O is the center, AB is your arc, and C is your midpoint of arc AB. And C is the midpoint. Okay, write down this part. Now to prove, what you have to prove? To prove that what? OC is bisect the angle OC. OC bisects the angle AOB. Or we can write angle AOC equal to angle BOC, or we can write angle AOC equal to angle BOC. Proof. Write down C is the midpoint of arc AB. Since C is the midpoint of arc AB. Therefore arc AC equal to arc BC. But arc AC and BC subtended. But arc AC and BC, arc AC and arc BC and arc BC subtend what? Subtend angle AOC and angle BOC. Angle AOC and angle BOC, because it is subtended. Okay, where it is subtended, but arc AC and arc BC subtend angle AOC and BOC. Where it is subtending? It is subtending at the center. Therefore angle AOC equal to angle BOC. Angle AOC equal to angle BOC. Therefore, hence OC bisect A. Hence OC bisects the angle what? AOB. This is I want to show. UED. Write down. UED. Write down, please. So this is all about your circle.
Watching this video till end, I hope you understand, and whatever the queries are there, so please join the online classes. We can clear more queries, and for that you have to share, subscribe and praise the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.